Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk about the new feature which Snowflake has recently introduced, which is about directly selecting from a procedures. So we can obviously select from a table, from a view, but Snowflake has recently introduced a feature wherein we can directly select from a stored procedure. Think of it like select star from a stored procedure. Now to give this demo, I've created a table. This table has this much of data and user ID 001, 002, 003, and it will be fed as an input parameter to this procedure. Now think of it like we'll be demonstrating how to even directly select from this particular procedure, right? As part of the new feature, and also we'll do a comparison what was happening before and what will happen now. So you create this procedure, right? Okay, this procedure gets created, okay, and then what will happen is obviously you will see that this procedure takes user ID as the input parameter, and the result set is like this, and you want to get the output of particularly this statement, the select statement, okay, and then retrieve it as a table, right? Returns a table, right? Okay, and this kind of use case, if it happens, how traditionally we were able to solve within Snowflake. So what we were doing is, probably we were, think of it like we were creating an anonymous block, and then within that block we were kind of calling the stored procedure. This is the stored procedure, okay, right? And then obviously it was taking the parameter, and then the output of the stored procedure was tracked through SQL ID, which is nothing but it will track the query ID, and then through result scan I was able to get the output. So 3-4 steps, right? And then result scan function, the output of this particular thing was even materialized in this particular table. So we ended up creating one more table just to get the output of this particular procedure, right? We'll see how it was working earlier, right? So within the begin end you do all these steps, and then when I run the procedure, obviously the anonymous block has run. If I refresh my schema, this is the new table which got created, right, which was tracking the output. Now if I select the data or from this new table, I will get my output, right? Output will be against user ID 001, what were the different combinations which was you know expected to get as part of this particular statement. So I got it, right? But this was a little bit kind of I'll say that a lot of engineering effort is needed, and we ended up creating a new table, anonymous blocks, track the value through SQL ID and through result scan. So we have to little bit apply the thought process and little bit of more engineering effort to get it, right? But with new introduction of this capability, I don't have to do all of this, right? I just have to fire one simple command like this, and I'm good, right? Now think of it like, if it is user ID 001, this was anyways one of the input parameter, right? User ID was given as an input parameter, so I got the output like this. Let's say if it is user ID 00 kind of 1, so you get like this, right? Think of it like it is more acting like select start from a table, and then you just keep on changing the kind of where clause, and then you get the output, right? So likewise you are getting this kind of output without creating some additional tables, anonymous blocks and things like that, right? So it's a nice feature which Snowflake has introduced, and obviously it will have its own caveats. But as the day progresses, the days pass by, definitely there will be improvements on this capability also. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.